Hi everyone, this is Sebastian at Jayco Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we'll be taking a look at the Jayco Bungalow. This is the 40 RLTS. One thing you're going to notice here in the front is the automatic awning, which is nice and big, goes over that big screen door. Place to put your batteries here in the front, your propane tanks. You have an outlet spot right there and another right there, so if you wanted to sit outside, have a great time, a lot of chairs around, people need to charge their phones, plug in TVs, whatever you need, you're going to be able to do it here on this one. Like I said, nice big screen doors, lots of windows here on this bungalow, which is really nice. It lets in a lot of light, makes it feel very welcoming. So here on the back, you're going to notice that we have our low point drain, which will be right there. That's right underneath the ladder. You climb up. And here we have our 50 amp manual stabilizer jacks. There's our TV input right there. Then we have our gray holding tank on this side, black holding tank on this side, your city water connection, outside shower, furnace, and water heater. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give me a call. My name is Sebastian here at Jayco Camperway in Mankato. Let's go inside, shall we? So we're going to enter in here into the bedroom. You're going to notice the amount of storage that you get in this is quite amazing. Lots of different storage, drawers, shelves. Check that out. Closet. Nice bar that goes all the way across. And you got storage up above as well. And then you're going to notice that we have lights by the bed there. So if you're a reader or you just want to sit up, you're able to comfortably see. And obviously overhead storage there. Windows on each side, which makes it feel nice, because then if you want to, you can take a look out at the stars, or if you're sitting by a beach, lake, whatever. Go through this door here. You're going to notice that we got our bathroom, which is really good size. Look at the size of this toiletry closet. I know it's a little bit dark here. Let's see if I can turn this light on for you guys. Makes any difference. Check that out. So you got clothes rod there, washer and dryer hookup down there. Place to put your towels. Don't mind me while I sit on your toilet here really quickly. So as you're going to see, you got plenty of knee space. Huge shower. I'm 6'1", so when I get in here, I have feet above me still yet. On top of that, you got a place to put your shampoo bottles, place to sit down. You got your vanity and medicine cabinet. Our phone number here at Gogs is 507-345-5858. My name is Sebastian. Here in the kitchen, you're going to notice that we have a huge countertop space right here with storage up above. We do have a pantry closet. And then more storage space up here. So a very good amount of storage, good amount of countertop space. So you're going to realize we got these things that go inside the sink here, so this way we can have additional countertop space if we want it. Easy for me to say. You can dry your dishes on here. Double-sided sink. Cabinetry. Storage. Pretty standard, but it's nice to have. That drawers, obviously, for your cutlery, silverware. Nice microwave. And you have your Insignia oven and stovetop, along with your Insignia fridge and freezer. It smells brand new still yet. It is brand new, but you can definitely tell the smell when you open it right now. So we go to the living space. You got your fireplace, storage, more storage, nice big TV that comes with it, and above the head storage as well. So you're going to realize that you're going to get a good amount of storage in this bungalow. That is for sure. You got your recliners that come out using this tool here. Obviously cup holders. And then a couch that pulls out into a sleeper. Got a nice ottoman. And then you're going to see that we have our nice dinette set. 4 chairs at this table. So if you guys have any questions on this 40 RLTS Jayco Bungalow at all, my name is Sebastian here at Gogg's Camperway. I'd be happy to assist you further. Thank you for watching.